Welcome to Power FM, Barun.
Thank you, Smriti.
And wishing you a very, very happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
So how's Kolkata treating you?
Doing all right.
It's a great pleasure to have you on a brand new station.
Congratulations, yeah. Many congratulations to you guys. I saw your hoardings and stuff.
Okay.
So it's promising. I hope it does really well.
Thank you so much. So 22 Yards की shooting कैसी चल रही है?
It's going pretty well, actually. It's going better than everyone imagined.
Wow, sounds fantastic. So the most challenging part till now?
So at the beginning, it's just starting right now. So to set up traits and characters, traits and everything of any character is difficult at the very beginning. You keep doing it for a little while in the same character, it becomes easier. But the beginnings are always tough because we've done a lot of workshops. So that way it's pretty easy. It's going on fine, not been very tough.
कैलकाटा में सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग चीज क्या लगी आपको पूछेंगे इन अ शॉर्ट व्हाइल कि कैलकाटा में दैट विल गेट नोवेयर इन द कंट्री
Humidity.
पूछो मत यार, हम कोलकाता वाले इस मामले में कुछ ज्यादा ही लकी है. बट समथिंग इंटरेस्टिंग.
The good thing that I like about the city is that it's maintained its character. Unlike other cities of the country which are going vertically, I think Kolkata has chosen to hang around with the times and stay the way it is. There's a certain flavor and tradition in Kolkata which is still there, which is what I like.
Okay. It's your birthday today, so are you going to try March Bhat tonight or something?
I don't know. I hope I get something good to eat.
Shooting करने के बाद में, what are the plans tonight?
I have no idea. Usually not the person who, usually my parents or my wife figure out what's going to be done on such occasions. So that's a bit lost over there. I don't know what's going to be.
And also it's Raksha Bandhan Day. What a day, Barun. कौन लड़की आपको राखी बांधेगी यार?
My sisters would.
अपनी sisters को छोड़ के हम लड़कियों से अगर आप पूछो, kill us rather than asking us to tie राखी आपके हाथों में. So ever happened कि कोई लड़की आपके पास आई राखी बांधने के लिए and you give an instant excuse ताकि वो आपको राखी ना बांध पाए?
नहीं, मेरे को excuse क्योंकि क्या जरूरत नहीं है excuse देने की.
Oh, आपने बनवाई?
हाँ.
So sweet. No wonder girls love you so much. हमें ये बताइए कि being a Delhi boy and now being here in the city of joy, what is the major difference between Delhi की and यहाँ की traffic यार?
नहीं, Delhi scene is not the same anymore. Yeah? The way they plan Delhi is brilliant now. I mean, you don't get that much traffic in Delhi, but Kolkata is really getting bad now, traffic-wise. So Kolkata and Bombay both.
तो वी आर श्योर कि आपने यहाँ के जामे का काफी ज्यादा मजा लिया है. तो जब भी गाड़ी पे होते हो और ट्रैफिक सिग्नल रुक जाती है, करते क्या हो जनरली आप गाड़ी में बैठ के?
मुझे यार यूजुअली कोई ना कोई लेने आता है, तो ज्यादातर काम की बात हो रही होती है. ओह, वरुण, मेरे लिए एक बंगाली शो करना सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है. तो अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं कि आपके लाइफ में सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज अभी तक का क्या है, तो व्हाट विल यू से? ऐसा कुछ चैलेंज नहीं है. I mean, our film is a very real film. We're shooting in real locations. You obviously, if you rent a place for a couple of days, you don't do a makeover in that place. You just are decorated. So we're shooting small locations, tight locations. The crew is massive. So to fit in and maintain the look has been the biggest challenge actually.
Since it's your birthday today, from all the girls out there, from each and every nook and corner of the globe से आपको दिल से हैप्पी बर्थडे विश किया है. And they were actually worried also कि आप कलकत्ता में शूट कर रहे हो और कहीं बारिश ना हो जाए. वो हमेशा मुझे बोलते थे, स्मृति बारिश को रुकवा दो.
We're shooting indoors, don't worry.
Yes, now all the girls should be singing सांस में तेरी सांस आई. And apart from that, a message to all the fans on your birthday and in general.
In general, I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone for all the support that they've given me and Hunger. Stood by my side and supporting me in whatever way they can. Mm-hmm. And I hope I've given them good enough reasons to back me up and support me. And I will try my best to live up to the expectation that I've created and do good work.
And once again, a very, very, very happy birthday, dear. God bless you.
Thank you.
और सिंस आप हो कोलकाता के एकदम नए रेडियो स्टेशन में, तो एक बार तो बोलना बनता ही है.
हाय, मैं हूँ वरुण सोपती और आप सुन रहे हैं कोलकाता का सबसे नया रेडियो स्टेशन 107.8 पावर FM जियो.